Now today we are going to do finding the square of numbers. Okay, now finding the square of numbers, that is if you have bigger numbers, like say for example, this is question number 1 of exercise 6.2. where you're finding the square of numbers. Like the first part is 32 square. You have to find the square of 32. So that is 32 into 32. This is what you have to find out. Now a shortcut way of finding the square of a number we are going to see now. So the shortcut way is this 32, you will break it up as 30 plus 2 the whole square. In this way. So when you break it up like this will be written as 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. So that is 30 into 30 plus 2 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. So which is equal to 30 square plus 30 into 2, this will be 60, plus 2 into 30, again it will be 60, plus 2 into 2, that will be 4. So this will be 30 into 30, that is 900, plus 120, plus 4. So that is 1024 will be the answer. So this is a shortcut way of finding the square of a number. You can also use the identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square over here to simplify the calculations. So next we are going to discuss finding square root of a number by repeated subtraction. Now in repeated subtraction, what you will do is, from the given number, you will subtract successive odd numbers. Now what are odd numbers? So here I will just list out. Starting from 1, 1 is an odd number, then 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and so on. Now these are the successive odd numbers. So from the given number, you will keep on subtracting the odd numbers till you get 0. So suppose you are given the number, let's say we'll take a number 36. You will start from 36. In the first step, you will subtract 36 minus 1. So you will get 35. Now in the next step, from the number that you have got here, that is 35, you will subtract the next odd number, that is 3. And then note down what you will get. So after subtracting 3 from 35, I will get 32. Then you will write 32 here and subtract the next odd number from 32, that is 5. So you will get here 27. Then 27 minus the next odd number is 7. So you will be getting 20. Then will be 20 minus 9, because that is the next odd number. So you will get 11. Then 11 minus the next odd number is 11. So you will get 0. Then you will see after how many steps you have got 0 here. So you have performed how many steps? This is the first step. This is your step 2. This is step 3. This is step 4. This is step 5 and step 6. So after 6 steps you are getting the number 0. So therefore square root of 36, this will be equal to 6. So now suppose I take up here a number that is not a perfect square. Say for example, I take up 12. So if I need to find the square root of 12, the first step will be 12 minus 1. So that will give me 11. The next step will be 11 minus 3. So that will give me 8. The next step will be 8 minus 5. So which is 3. The last step will be 3 minus the next odd number after 5 is 7. So this will give me minus 4. I am not getting 0 over here. I am getting minus 4. So therefore, this is a non-perfect square because I don't get 0 in the last step. So 12 is not a perfect square. So for finding the number of digits in the square root of a given number, let us assume that the given number has got n digits. Okay, so let the given number so square root of that number it will have n by 2 digits. Now what is the meaning of this? If the number is having 4 digits, then the square root of that will be having 2 digits, n by 2. If a number is having 2 digits, then its square root will be a single digit number. That is the meaning of that. Now what if the number is having odd digits? So this is in case of n being even. Now what if odd? If the number is having 3 digits, then square root cannot have 1.5 digits. No? The number of digits cannot be in fractions. So then what do we do? So in case the n is odd number, then we will be having square root will have n plus 1 by 2 digits. That is when n is odd. So which means if a number is having 3 digits, you will add 1 to that and then divide by 2. So that is 3 plus 1 by 2 or 4 by 2. Again, it will have 2 digits. So if the number is a 3-digit number, its square root will have 2 digits. That is the meaning.